What if Apple is preparing to deliver the most ambitious iPhone upgrade we have seen in years? The iPhone 18 Pro Max may be far more than another predictable update with a faster processor and a few new colors, because the latest leaks point toward major improvements in battery life, camera technology, performance, artificial intelligence, and overall efficiency. Before we break down everything Apple may be planning, leave a comment and tell us which iPhone 18 Pro Max upgrade you are most excited to see. If these reports turn out to be accurate, this could become the most powerful and feature-packed iPhone Apple has ever released. Let's begin with what may be the most unexpected upgrade of all, the battery. According to current rumors, the eSIM version of the iPhone 18 Pro Max could include an enormous 5,567 mAh battery, which would make it the largest battery ever fitted inside an iPhone. Pair that increased capacity with Apple's next-generation A20 processor, reportedly manufactured using an advanced 2-nanometer process, and the result could be a dramatic improvement in real-world endurance. Whether you're playing demanding games, recording high-resolution video, navigating throughout the day, or using Apple's increasingly powerful AI features, the phone may last considerably longer between charges. For years, battery endurance has remained one of the most common concerns among iPhone owners, and the iPhone 18 Pro Max could finally deliver the kind of all-day performance heavy users have been waiting for. Raw performance is also expected to take a serious step forward. The rumored A20 Pro chip may be supported by 12 gigabytes of RAM, allowing apps to remain open longer, background processes to run more smoothly, and multitasking to feel faster and more responsive than ever. Apple is also reportedly preparing to introduce LPDDR6 memory alongside a redesigned internal chip arrangement intended to improve thermal management and energy efficiency. In practical terms, that could allow the phone to maintain peak performance for longer periods without becoming excessively warm or slowing itself down. Heavy gaming sessions, professional video editing, advanced photography, and AI-powered workloads could all benefit from better sustained performance. Now let's move to the camera system, because this is where the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become truly exciting. Leaks suggest Apple may equip the device with a massive 200-megapixel primary camera, supported by a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera capable of delivering up to 10 times optical zoom. That would represent one of the most significant camera hardware upgrades in iPhone history, and could place Apple in direct competition with the most advanced photography-focused smartphones on the market. Improved stacked image sensors are also rumored, potentially enabling faster image capture, more efficient processing, stronger low-light photography, improved dynamic range, and more accurate colors. Instead of simply increasing resolution, Apple appears to be focusing on the entire imaging pipeline, from the moment light reaches the sensor to the final image produced by the phone's computational photography system. The front-facing camera may receive an equally noticeable upgrade, with reports pointing toward a new 42-megapixel selfie camera positioned differently inside the display. This redesigned placement could allow Apple to reduce the size of the dynamic island while simultaneously delivering sharper selfies, clearer video calls, and improved front camera video recording. If Apple manages to bring all of these rumored changes together, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could establish itself as one of the most capable smartphone cameras ever created. The display is also expected to receive meaningful refinements. Apple will reportedly retain the expansive 6.9-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel and its fluid 120Hz refresh rate, but the next generation could introduce record-setting brightness, slimmer bezels, and a noticeably smaller dynamic island. These upgrades may not completely transform the appearance of the phone, but they could make the viewing experience feel more modern and immersive. HDR movies should appear brighter and more detailed. Games could feel even more engaging, and photographers or video editors may benefit from improved outdoor visibility and greater visual precision. Apple is also rumored to be expanding the available storage configurations, with the iPhone 18 Pro Max potentially offering up to 2 terabytes of internal storage. That amount of space would be particularly valuable for content creators, filmmakers, photographers, and professionals who regularly work with 4K or 8K footage, raw image files, large games, and demanding applications. Instead of constantly deleting files or transferring projects to external storage, users could carry an enormous media library directly on the device. Connectivity is expected to remain equally advanced, with support reportedly including 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, ultra-wideband technology, and Apple's new C2 modem in international versions. The phone is also expected to arrive with iOS 27, which may introduce smarter artificial intelligence tools, deeper system-level automation, and efficiency improvements throughout the operating system. Apple's growing focus on AI means the hardware and software will likely be designed to work closely together, potentially making everyday tasks faster, more personalized, and more intuitive. Naturally, a collection of upgrades this extensive may also lead to a higher price. Several industry analysts reportedly expect Apple to raise the starting price by approximately $100 compared with the previous generation. That could place the entry-level iPhone 18 Pro Max at around $1,299 in the United States. There is no denying that this would be an expensive smartphone, but buyers may consider the increase reasonable if Apple delivers a larger battery, dramatically upgraded cameras, next-generation processor, improved display, expanded storage, and enhanced AI experience suggested by the leaks. As for when we might finally see the device, Apple is expected to introduce the iPhone 18 Pro Max during the second week of September 2026, with September 9th currently being discussed as a possible announcement date. Pre-orders could open soon afterward, potentially on September 10th or September 11th, before the official retail launch takes place later in the month. So, should you wait for the iPhone 18 Pro Max? Based on everything being reported, Apple may not be preparing another year of minor refinements. Instead, the company could be building a true next-generation flagship with substantially longer battery life, a powerful 200-megapixel camera system, stronger optical zoom, faster sustained performance, more capable artificial intelligence, and premium hardware improvements throughout the entire device. For anyone still using an older iPhone and waiting for an upgrade that feels genuinely significant, the iPhone 18 Pro Max could become one of Apple's biggest and most exciting releases in years. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.